Hello. The lock I have today is an FAB 100L. It's a Euro cylinder. You see? This is the keyway. It's a 5-pin lock. It's the bitting. FAB was established in 1911 with their initial, I guess, manufacturing program. They were comprising of locks basically for building industry, like mortise locks and furniture locks. And in 1958, they started making locks and keys for the automotive industry. The company gradually became the exclusive supplier of cylinder locks for the entire car industry in former Czechoslovakia. That's where this FAB was made. In '96, they joined FAB, and well, you know how big they are. So let's see if we can get into this. I'm just using a Peterson gem 25 thousandths and a pry bar in 50 thousandths. Okay, one's loose, two's loose. Okay, that was 3, I believe. Okay, 4 gave me something. Okay, if I set 5 and I got a little rotation on the plug. Okay, I set 1. I touched 2 and got a little more rotation on the plug. Okay, I had set 2, 5 dropped while I was doing it, and then I had to set 2 again, so. Come on out of there. Alright. I already took the clip on this side off, and the clip looks like this. A little weird clip. I have not taken this apart before, so this is a first. As you see, it has the snap-proof thing, so if this snaps off, you would still be able to access 3 of the pins with your keys and turn the cam. I got a new tool for taking C-clips off. This is from Sauber. Comes with 2 of these heads. I think this was 20 bucks. I got this from MBA USA. I ordered it and they had it out to me in 2 days, basically. You put like around Euro cylinders, you hook this top on one side and you just pull it back. It works for all different types of sear clips and everything, as well as these are from Sauber as well, and they are for reforming. As you see, there's a lip right here on this end. That is designed to go down in between the cam and the body when you're putting it back on and crimp it. So that's what I've been using to get these off lately. Okay. Let me Okay, I'm still back there. Okay, this tiny little plug. The snap feature actually goes through the cylinder. I haven't seen that before. Okay. Something back here. Ugh, this is like this looks like Vaseline. It's all on the back of the plug here. Gross. Okay. Okay, that's number 6. Or 5, rather. Okay, this is 2. Damn, this shit is sticky. Ever since I got that Vaseline shit on the end of my tweezers, these things are sticking to them. Alright, 1 and 2 are spools. And these springs are sticking up so far, I gotta take them out before I can take out the next one. Okay, now it's 3. Come on now. There we go. Alright, that was a pain. Springs kept getting caught up in the thing I used to take it apart. Okay. All the key pins are standard. 1 and 2 are some nice spools. 3 has a barrel in the middle. It's very similar to acid pins, except it doesn't have the extra lip on either end. It's just without the lip. And then 4 and 5 are standard. And that is, I think that's all everything out of there. Yep, that's all. All right, that's all I have for you on the Czechoslovakian FAB 100s. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. If you like the video, please subscribe. And as always, you know, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching.